Welcome to BuyHalalGoods seller space. For the best experience, use a computer or laptop while navigating our platform. Sign up by creating an account. Enter your email and create a secure password. Verify through the OTP sent to your inbox. Enter your full name and contact number. Next, proceed to add your company name. Pick the appropriate business category from our wide range of options and business identification number. Upload your identification document and halal certification to complete the verification process. Be sure to enter your full name, contact number, address, city, state, zip or postal code, and country. Your account is ready. You're now in your seller dashboard, your hub to manage products, orders, and more. Congratulations! You're now a part of the BuyHalalGoods family. We're here to support you every step of the way.